So there's a few different ways to do a row. A row just means when you're pulling some kind of weight into your body. I'm going to do an example with a dumbbell row. What you're going to do is kind of get your knee, shoulder, and hand in line, arms nice and straight, and I want you to think of, you're not going to pull it initially. You're going to use your shoulder blade, pull the weight into your rib cage. So you're not going to do a bicep curl. You're actually going to start here. You should feel that kind of back muscle stretched. And from there, you're going to pull into your rib cage. You should get a little twisting on your spine. You can think of like you got kind of a bar through there. You should swivel a little bit there. And you want to feel that muscle kind of stretching and squeezing. Squeezing meaning that shoulder blade is coming into your spine. One critique is that you don't want the shoulder blade coming up tight. You want to think, once again, just like doing a chest press, that those shoulder blade muscles are kind of tucked back. And then from there, you can do the row, kind of feeling that back muscle stretch and pull. So I won't overcomplicate this from an understanding of your kind of starting position, but you want to kind of get in a deadlift position. If you don't know what that is, go watch my deadlift video. But just like a deadlift, get in this position, and then you want that back muscle to kind of feel stretched there, and then you pull your rib cage and back. Try to feel those shoulder blades come together and squeeze.